Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Dear viewers, we are here today in the annual sporting event of 2025-26 of Al Hassanain, and here we are to move around the field and show you what is going on around here and what we have arranged for you. Okay, so moving on. This is the entrance of our sporting event, and here you can see a wonderful gate made by our team, and all the all the famous sports icons are here. So this is the entrance. Inshallah, we are going to go. We are going to get in. Oh, by the way, let me tell you, we have a wonderful place. It is called the Quality Sporting Field, and it is located in an outskirt in the outskirt of Chittagong city. So hopefully we are going to show you a very enjoyable sporting event that is happening around here. So as we enter, we get in and we see the annual sporting event taking place, and in the front you can see the Al Hassanain Annual Sport 2025-26 written here. And there are two balloons hanging from here. So the teachers and students are busy in the field. Teachers are busy with the students, and the students are busy with their play. So let's move on. So this is the right side of our entrance. So as you can see, here is the male guardians sitting room, pavilion, and most of our male guardians are. Okay, so we have a food stall here, and beside this there's a wonderful store for toys and stationeries. So moving on, we have a pavilion made for female guardians. I would like to tell you that we had some very well recognized guests in our event present today. Um, One of them was the director of BCB. He used to be the director of BCB, and this is the area. This is the area where the VIP guests took their place, and we can see we have the directors of. Um, we have the directors of another school, Insight Academy, present amidst us. Okay, so let's move on. So this is one of the guardians' space. I would like to ask one of the guardians. I would like to ask one of the guardians how they feel coming to our events today. Salam alaikum. স্যার আমি ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। আমরা একটু জিজ্ঞেস করতে চাচ্ছিলাম আপনার আপনার মানে অনুভূতি কি আজকে আপনি বাচ্চারা তো খেলতেছে, আপনার থেকে কেমন লাগছে? আপনার বাচ্চাও নিশ্চয়ই পার্টিসিপেট করছে,
জি, জি।
তো একটু বলবেন আপনার সম্পর্কে।
সালামু আলাইকুম। আসলে বাচ্চারা যে সবাই এত শৃঙ্খলা হয়ে, এত ডিসিপ্লিন মেনটেন করে সবাই একসাথে এই সকাল থেকে ৯টা থেকে এই ডিসিপ্লিন মেনটেন করে এই ইভেন্টগুলোতে পার্টিসিপেট করতেছে এবং এরা নন স্টপ একটার পর একটা পার্টিসিপেট করে যাচ্ছে। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, এটা দেখে অনেক সুন্দর লাগতেছে, অনেক আমরা আবির্ভূত। তো আমরাও আল হাসনাইনের উত্তরোত্তর কামনা করতেছি এবং এই বাচ্চাদেরকে একটা ভালো মানুষ হিসেবে, ভালো জাতি হিসেবে করার জন্য ওনারা যে জিনিসটা দিচ্ছে, এটার জন্য আমরা আসলে কৃতজ্ঞ আল হাসনাইনের প্রতি। থ্যাংক ইউ।
জাযাকাল্লাহু খায়র। আপনাদের কোনো সাজেশন থাকলে ইনশাল্লাহ আমাদেরকে দেবেন, আমরা ইনশাল্লাহ নেক্সট টাইম আমরা অ্যাপ্লাই করব। জি, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। So this is one of our male guardians pavilions. So moving on, I would like to show you the scene of the children getting prepared for their sports. So here we have a large pavilion made for the females only. By the way, we have 3 zones here in our sporting event, and in these 3 zones we have different events taking place for different classes. So as we move on, we can see the little children. They have accompanied their brothers in here in the sporting event. So basically, we had some obstacles, such as we had. We were thinking it will be cool. We were thinking it would be very cold, but Alhamdulillah, it's a shiny day. It's a watch out. We can see this is a shiny day, and we have our students getting prepared for different kinds of sports here today. We have sack race, track race, we have cockfight. We also have ball to basket and many other events. Okay, so let's move on. So let's move on to the field. Okay, let's move on to the field. So boys, how are you doing today? Good. Are you enjoying?
Yes!
What's your name?
My name is Hafiza Alam Chaudhary.
So which sports are you participating in today?
Cockfight.
And you?
Shayan Imam Chaudhary. I'm participating in cockfight.
Very good. Okay. Any other sport? Did you win any medal?
No.
Did anyone win any medal?
I am
Okay.
first.
You won in race?
Yes.
Okay. So are you excited to win the race?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, let's move on to another team, and let's see what they are preparing for. I think we have a long jump space prepared there with a bedding. Very nice. It looks very, very good, mashallah. Okay, so let's see what they are doing. Okay, so we have boys being prepared here for their sports. Okay, okay. Assalamu alaikum. What are you preparing for? Huh? Tug of war. Mashallah, are you excited to do that? Mashallah. So, how many people are you in one team? Do you know? You don't know? Have you won any medal? Okay, okay. I hope you won this medal. Okay.
Take your position with the court. Take your position with the court.
Assalamu alaikum. Ustad ji.
Once ready, take your position first.
Assalamu alaikum. Ustad ji, are you free to talk for a few seconds, please?
Yes,
Okay. So, what are you preparing your students for?
for cockfight, you can see already they are already ready, and the game will start now, and you can see how they will play.
Okay. So, do you think they are playing well today?
Yeah, of course they're doing fantastic, and they're playing pretty well. You can see the position how they are ready.
Do you think they are quite disciplined?
Yes, they're quite disciplined, and our game will start after 1 minute, and you can enjoy our game.
Inshallah, we'll enjoy your game. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Boys, take
So
your
we are now
position
going
first.
to another zone to see what they are preparing for. So let's move. Some of the boys are scattered around the place. So we have moved to 2 zones. Now this is another zone I think this is zone 1. So in zone 1, we have, I reckon it is tug of war they're preparing for. Assalamu alaikum. Ustadji, what are you preparing them for?
We are preparing them for tug of war.
Okay, what kind of game is it?
It is actually team play, play of strength, discipline, and teamwork.
Mashallah. So do you think some of the strong men are here among the team?
Inshallah,
Among
for
the-
in the both of the team, there are so many strong boys. Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah. Thank you very much. Jazakallah. khairan.
Jazakallah khair.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay, Ahan, are you Ayan?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, I know you. I know your name. Okay, thank you very much. So, what are you doing today?
Today, this is the day for Annual Sport 2026
Okay.
of Al Hassanain. We are participating in many activities such as tug of war. Then we have race, 100-meter race. We have football. Then we have set jump, long jump, high jump. We participate in these activities and compete for such rewards as medals.
Very good, mashallah. So, did you win anything?
This is my first sport, so I'm going to do this. Next, I'm gonna do football, then long jump.
Mashallah, mashallah. So, make sure you win today. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we are witnessing a strength of. Okay, we are watching a strength of a show of strength. Oh, the team on my left side wins. Thank you very much. It was not that difficult. So the students knocked them off very easily. Thank you very much, the winners. Thank you, the winners. Okay, so we are moving on to another side. Let's see what's going on there. Oh, I think. So we are moving on to another zone. I think it is zone 3. So in zone 3 we have cockfight going on, I reckon. So they are getting prepared for their fight. Let's see who is our best fighter. So, boys, are you ready for the fight? Ustadji, how is the fight going on?
We're just preparing now. Later on, we're going to start the fight
When will you start the fight?
in 1 or 2 minutes.
In 1 or 2 minutes. Can we enjoy the fight?
Inshallah, you can.
Yes. You want to talk? You want to say something? Okay. Okay, you can see the excitement in them. They are very excited, and today we hope some of the strong boys they defeat some other strong boys. All of them are strong, mashallah. So let's see who wins today. You never know. So everyone is taking their position. So the game is going to start very soon. The whistle is going to blow in a second. Yeah, they are on the fight now. The cockfight is. The fight is on. It's raging on. The battle is raging on. We can see some of the students knock the others. MashaAllah. A very well show, and a very disciplined and nice show. Yeah, we have. Oh, mashallah. Both of them fell. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 participants remaining. Mashallah, going on very well. The students are cheering each other. Okay, one of them is knocked out. So only 3 left. Sorry, 4 left. Okay, almost there, almost there. They're trying to knock each other down. Oh, mashallah, well done. Okay, so we are now moving on to the award giving stage. We are about to see the stage there, and in the front you can see 2 trophies have been ready for the 2 champions. One from tug of war and one for tug of war and one for football, I guess. So we now have come here in front of the stage, and we are going to finish our live very soon. So this is another female guardian's place. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our show. Inshallah, see you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.